In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WordPad back to Windows 11. If you've recently upgraded to Windows 11, you might have noticed that WordPad isn't as easily accessible as it once was. However, on certain versions of Windows 11, WordPad may still be available as an optional feature, and I'll guide you through the process of adding it back. First, you'll need to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard simultaneously. This handy shortcut opens up the Settings menu, saving you the time and effort of navigating through the Start menu. Once you're in Settings, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll see several categories. Click on the one labeled System, which is typically the default view that opens. Inside the System menu, there are various options, but our focus is on optional features. Now, you might be wondering why WordPad would be considered an optional feature. Microsoft often moves certain tools out of the default install to streamline the system or due to decreased usage in favor of newer tools. This way, features like WordPad become opt-in rather than bundled, giving you control over what is installed on your device. Next, within the Optional Features section, you'll see a button labeled View Features. You'll want to click on this button. Doing so will bring up a list of available features that you can choose to add to your system. The interface will show a search bar at the top of the window, which is quite helpful for finding specific features quickly. In the search bar, type the word WordPad. As you type, the list will update and a matching result for WordPad should appear if it's available with your Windows version. This is where it gets exciting. If you see WordPad in the list, that means you can bring it back to your system. Once you've found WordPad, click on it to select it. After selection, there will be an option for you to install. Simply click this Install button. The system will then begin the installation process to add WordPad back to your Windows 11 setup. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. And there you have it. WordPad should now be installed on your Windows 11 PC. You can verify the installation by returning to the Start menu, searching for WordPad, and launching it to ensure that everything is working as it should. Remember, these steps can help maximize the utility of your Windows 11 system by tailoring the features you need. Whether you use WordPad for quick note-taking or editing documents with basic formatting needs, it's handy to have it back at your disposal. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.